Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a mojito drink. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 10 fresh mint leaves, 1 whole lime, and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. For the spirits, grab 2 ounces of your favorite white rum. Don't forget 4 ounces of chilled club soda and plenty of crushed ice to keep your drink perfectly cool and refreshing. These simple items are the foundation for a fantastic mojito. Now, let's get to the fun part. In a sturdy glass, gently muddle about 10 mint leaves with 2 lime wedges. The goal is to release the oils, not to shred the leaves. Next, add 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar and the juice from the remaining lime half. Pour in 2 ounces of white rum, ensuring it mixes well with the muddled ingredients. This creates the flavorful base for your delicious mojito. With your base ready, it's time to finish your mojito. Fill your glass completely with crushed ice, ensuring it's packed well. Then, slowly top the mixture with 4 ounces of chilled club soda. Give it a gentle stir, just enough to combine all the ingredients without losing that wonderful fizz. You want to keep those bubbles lively for a truly refreshing experience. Now, it's almost ready to enjoy. Finally, for the perfect presentation, garnish your mojito with a fresh mint sprig and a slice of lime. Take a moment to appreciate your handiwork before taking that first delightful sip. You can also experiment with variations, perhaps adding muddled berries or a splash of pineapple juice for a unique twist. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Cheers to your homemade mojito.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.